New technology and inventions make things much easier. Especially the powerful heavy machines used in woodworking are incredible. They can process large trees and logs quickly. Now we will see these heavy machines and saws. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. The Naarva S23 has the functions of cutting trees, pruning and splitting firewood. This is a forestry tool that combines a holding mechanism for logs with a cutting mechanism. It is known as a powerful and sturdy machine and is still used by many. Those who are engaged in firewood cutting will like this machine. The wood processor with hydraulic shears and splitters can do the job quickly and practically. The high-speed Tigercat 2000 series shear. It is strong, durable, and versatile and can be used for a variety of logging and clearing jobs. DAH can be installed on most excavators or other carriers with articulated masts. It is a high-power, bush-cutting mulching industrial system in forestry. This machine is designed for high-quality chip production. It is suitable for processing very large amounts of materials of all types and sizes. This log debarking machine is a machine component system that automatically debarks the raw log. It can peel a 3-meter log in 30 seconds. The Steel 070 is a powerful chainsaw with a long blade, making it suitable for lumber cutting. This machine is a beast. It can cut logs into specified sizes and turn them into firewood at the same time. Featuring a 16-way box wedge, this Cord King has a thrust of 42 tons. These attachments are designed to turn trees, logs, shrubs, and other vegetation into mulch. The mulched material can then be left on the ground to decompose and improve the health of the soil. These saw lines can process logs with diameters between 80 and 420 millimeters at the upper end and up to 550 millimeters at the wide end. It is a saw line with all modern features. These are hydraulically powered attachments designed for excavators specifically to grind stumps into chips. It can quickly grind logs, usually within a few minutes. With this portable sawmill, you can turn a large log into timber by yourself. We can say that it is a really useful and practical machine.